Have you ever wondered how your phone identifies a song in a noisy room, or how an equalizer separates bass from treble? You are looking at a complex wave of sound, but your brain and your computer need to see the individual notes. This is where the Fourier transform comes in. Think of it like a prism that takes a beam of white light and splits it into a rainbow of colors. The Fourier transform takes a complex signal that changes over time and splits it into a collection of simple sine waves. A sine wave is just a smooth, repeating curve. Every complex sound is actually a stack of these simple waves vibrating at different speeds. The transform calculates exactly how much of each speed is hiding inside your signal. In the formula, the letter f of t represents your original signal changing over time. We multiply it by a complex exponential, which is a mathematical tool that acts like a filter to isolate specific frequencies. By adding all these pieces together, we get a map of frequencies. A single pulse in time creates a flat line across all frequencies, while a steady note creates a sharp spike at one specific point. This allows us to compress audio files, clean up static, and even process images. You are simply shifting your perspective from watching how a signal moves to seeing what it is made of. By breaking the complex into the simple, you gain total control over the information. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.